In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online 2025 update. Duplicate transactions can happen for a few reasons. Maybe a bank feed brought in an item you already entered manually, or a mobile receipt created a second copy. Cleaning these up keeps your reports accurate and your reconciliations smooth. Start by heading to the left-hand navigation and click Accounting. This takes you to the heart of your bookkeeping area. From here, open the Chart of Accounts tab. Think of this as the list of all your ledgers, bank accounts, credit cards, cash, and more. Next, go into the specific account where you believe the duplicate lives. Duplicates most commonly appear in checking or credit card registers, especially around times you imported data or posted entries manually. Once inside that account's register, sort the transactions by date. Sorting by date pulls likely duplicates together so they're easier to spot side by side. Now scan the list and look for transactions with the same or very similar amounts and descriptions around the same date. Pay attention to the payee, memo, and exact dollar amount. Recurring charges, subscriptions, and round numbers tend to show up more than once. Also, make sure you're not confusing a legitimate split or a reversal with a duplicate. If two items look identical in date, amount, and description, that's a strong indicator you found a duplicate. If you're ever unsure, pause and compare with your bank statement or receipt before taking action. When you've identified a duplicate, click the transaction to review the details one more time. Confirm it's truly an extra copy and not the one tied to a payment, deposit, or other workflow you need to keep. Once confident, click Delete. QuickBooks will remove that transaction from the register and your reports, preventing inflated income or expenses. If a confirmation message appears, confirm the deletion. Work through the account until you've cleared any other duplicates you find. Taking a few minutes to sort by date and compare descriptions carefully will save you headaches at month end and make reconciliation much easier. If the interface looks slightly different in this 2025 update, don't worry, the process is the same. Accounting, Chart of Accounts, open the right account, sort by date, identify duplicates, delete the extra copy. Thanks for watching, and keep your books clean and accurate by reviewing for duplicates regularly.